Dear customer, my name is Jin.
For FOB test, we can accept OEM order. If you need to buy all brand, we also can send you all brand. I will show you all package. Recare brand disease test, the package is like this one. The name is at the back. If you want your brand, we can produce for you. For this one, the MOQ is 100,000 pieces. 100,000 pieces. If you in order to save some freight charges, or you want to save some charges for your local customer tax, you hope to buy different parts and separately. We also can supply to you.